I'll guide you through the simple process of reattaching the cable linkage when it becomes disengaged from the bracket. Step 1. The first step is to inspect the disengaged cable linkage. Look for the point where it became detached, typically from the bracket on the control lever or the hopper. Check for any damage or wear on the cable. Step 2. To proceed with reattaching the cable linkage, find the screw located on the reverse side of the clamp. Using an appropriate screwdriver, gently loosen the screw, but do not remove it entirely. Step 3. Now locate the rate flow lever on the handle of your fertilizer spreader. Pull the lever all the way up to setting 0, which is the fully closed position. This ensures that the distribution mechanism is completely shut off during the reattachment process. Step 4. With the rate flow lever still at setting 0, fully closed position, take the rubber cable and push it back through the clamp gently. Ensure you push it enough so that it shows on the other side of the clamp. This step ensures that the cable is correctly positioned for reattachment without compromising the distribution mechanism's closed state. Step 5. Now, while making sure the plate is in place and the rate flow lever is still at setting 0, fully closed position, tighten the screw on the reverse of the clamp. Use the appropriate screwdriver to secure the clamp firmly. Step 6. Start by moving the rate flow lever from setting 0 to its fully open position. Observe the distribution mechanism opens and closes appropriately. If there are any issues or if the calibration is not correct, you may need to repeat the reattachment process and ensure that everything is properly aligned.